Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Redesign 16. So this is where I post about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle every single week. Before we get started on this lip balm from lipsense or senegence makeup, it is tinted, so it has a color in it. You want to stay tuned. Please like this video and please also hit the subscribe button before we jump right into it. So let's jump right into it. Hey guys, so I wanted to hop on. I have all my makeup done except my lips. And I wanted to show you guys, last week senegence had a major deal on their tinted lip balms and regular lip balms. They were 15% off, plus I was giving an extra 10% off over on my Instagram page at ReDesign16. There's a link in my about. That's why I say I do a lot more over on my Instagram page than I do here during the week on YouTube. I can still give you 10% off if you message me over on my Instagram account for this tinted lip balm and the regular lip balm. There's several shades of the tinted lip balms and the regular lip balms. But if you don't live in the US, I can't give you 10% off, but I can give you another deal. So, this is new to me. It's called Nude Beige. Beige. I have never tried it, and I thought it would go really well with my matte clove eyeshadow look. So, and I did a IGTV video over on my Instagram. It comes in a tube just like this. It's regular, I think $22. So it is amazing. It'll last you a long time. So I have never tried this. My lips are clean. I just had a lip gloss on this morning. It's not. Oh yeah, comes out fast. Got a little too much. It's definitely tinted, I'll say. So it comes out pretty good, as you saw. Okay, I'm just gonna rub it. I can totally tell that this is so hydrating and moisturizing for your skin. I'm pretty sure that it has vitamin E and shea butter in it. I will have to get the ingredients of what's in it for you. Wow. It's definitely tinted. I really like this, and I should have gotten it a long time ago. It looks clear, but in the mirror, it's totally different. Now, it's not going to last you as long as lipsense, but it'll moisturize and hydrate your lips. And it's very smooth to the touch. So I will be back with the end result. Hey, so I'm back with the end result, and this is how it turned out. I found out that it hydrates, and if you have dry lips, cracked lips, it helps with that. I'll find out more like what's in it and put it down in the description box, but I like how it instantly made my lips feel like amazing. So I would totally buy this again. I love senegence lipsense all lips stuff because it's hydrating, moisturizes, has sun protection in it. I'm not sure about this lip balm, if it does or not, but I will put all of this stuff down below, and I'll even put a link down below so that you can purchase any of the lip balms. And if you spend $100, you get free shipping. So that is a major deal. And in the month of June, if you spend $100, you get 2 free samples plus free shipping. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave and ring the bell so that you will be notified when I post a new video. First come, first serve. Thanks for watching.